Crazy World Events channel.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
RC Cars Off-Road 4x4 Adventure. People call these models of RC trucks as MN99S. Land Rover is a toys for adults. With RC shovel hammer tools. With 1.9-inch inflatable rubber wheel tires. With luggage rack spotter. With back spare tire and gas cans fuel tank. RC cars can drive through mud, puddles and stones. If their S no mud, off-road trail track is built of stones, sand and wood. These small-sized off-road cars can drive in a deep mud and puddle with no difficulty. At the same time, RC cars look like real off-road 4x4 cars and 6x6 trucks such as Toyota Tundra, Hummer H2, Dodge Ram, MAN Cat 6x6, Land Rover Defender that are very strong and powerful. Sometimes it's difficult to understand if it's an RC car or the real truck. I've been impressed about how it climbs over steep rocky section. RC cars can drive through puddles and cliff stones. If their no mud, off-road trail track is built of stones, these small-sized off-road cars can drive in a cliff stone and puddle with no difficulty at all.
subscribes, and press the bell, if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.